Now that's one hell of a cathedral. Welcome to day 85 from the tallest building in all of the world, the Cologne Cathedral. That statement is true up until 1880. This church is amazing. It took 600 years to build this, which is the same amount of time it takes New York City to repair a road, specifically Houston Street. You see this? This used to be lighter, up until humans introduced pollution. It only takes 533 steps to get up here, and 533 to get down, only to get this view. But even such an amazing beauty used to once look like this. Just because of a man with half a mustache. That's 1 minute, see you tomorrow.